It's easy to set up pipe and drape, but what if your client wants a higher end look for their next trade show? Hardwall and frames are so expensive and complicated, but what if there was a way you could use your existing pipe and drape to create the same hardwall look? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that with the Softwall conversion kit. Pipe and drape is so simple to set up. All you need are uprights, both 8-foot and 3-foot, drape supports, bases, and of course, your drape. Standard pipe and drape usually includes 3 to 4 panels of your drape of choice, and usually that drape is banjo. In order to convert your drape into Softwall, all you need to do is replace your 3 to 4 panels of drape with just one 10-foot wide panel of Poly Premier. This applies to your sidewalls as well. Just use a 3 by 10 foot wide panel of Poly Premier on each side. And that's it. A quick tip to make this even more high-end is to add a drape support on the bottom of your drape and use a universal clamp to make it taut. To do this, just flip your universal clamp upside down and attach it to your upright. Then slide your hook end underneath the slot. Pull your universal clamp down and tighten your screw. Now you've got beautiful, taut drape without having to upgrade your hardware. You can also replicate this look for your back walls too. Consider adding printed fabric with logos or images to really dress up your event. The key is that this can all be created using your existing uprights, bases, and drape supports. You can find the Softwall conversion kit listed in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video and comment if you have any questions about the Softwall conversion kit. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials from Georgia Expo. Thanks for watching!